In this video, we will explore how to create post on Instagram account. So let's start. Open your Instagram account. You can see here, I open my Instagram account on laptop. So here I just click on the profile. You can see that not any post is created here. So I'm going to create the first post on this Instagram account. Left hand side you can see the some tab available. Here the create tab also available to create post. Just click on it and you can easily create new post here. Just drag the photo and video here and you can select from computer also. I just click on the select from computer and I select here the flower pictures and click on open, and here the photo is added. Now here you can see the bottom side have some option. The first is a crop. You can easily crop here. There are 3 default size available. Select those you want. So I select the second one. Here the zoom in. If you want to zoom in your photo, you can set accordingly. And here you can add the multiple photo. So you can see the one plus sign in cursor circle you can add, and you can add here the second photo also. Okay, and after that you just click on this arrow and you can see the second photo and first one. Okay, so this is a way you can add here multiple photos also on one post, and click on the next to upload it. And here you can see there are 2 tab available, filters and adjustment. In filters, the photo you can filter the different colors. You can see the filters here available. See the changes on this photo. And in adjustments tab have some setting, the brightness, the contrast, the fade, the you can see the some changes, temperatures. So you can set accordingly and click on the next. And after that you can just add your location. If you want to add it, just click on here and you are add your location. Okay, then accessibility, just drag below, write any text here related to this post. Okay, advanced setting, if you want to do some advanced setting, if you want to hide like and view counts on this post, you can set accordingly. Turn off commenting, if you don't want comment from others, you can just turn off the commenting. Automatically share to the threads, if you want to automatically share the threads, you can allow this. Okay, so and here you can just enter something about your photo and you can add here some message. Here the emoji option also available. Just click on it and you can add here the emoji also. See, and click on the share. That's it, your first post is created on Instagram. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Now I just show you the first post on Instagram. I just refreshed this account and you can see this is a first post. Just click on this arrow and you can see the second picture and first picture. Okay, so this is a way you can create post on Instagram account. So that's it. Thank you.